Hey guys, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Lynn. Today we are going to be making some pineapple salmon. Simple, easy and quick to put together, very tasty. So we are going to go into the kitchen and make it. Okay guys, so I did wash and pat dry this salmon and it does have the skin on it. So for the seasons, I'm using the cilantro and lime season, and this season has a lot of salt. So no need to put salt on this, but once you don't have this, you can season your salmon to taste with your salt. I'm also using some smoked paprika, and I'm gonna be using some Old Bay seasoning also. And then you want to pat the seasonings onto the salmon and let it sit for about 25 minutes. Once you're done, make sure that all the corners are evenly seasoned, and then you just set it aside. This salmon has the skin on it, all right? No worries with that. Once that is sitting aside, here I have some pineapple juice, some cornstarch. I also have some soy sauce, some garlic, lemon, parsley, some chunks of pineapple, some honey, and some butter. So over medium heat, I add a pan and I'm going to add some olive oil. Now you can add any type of oil. You can also use butter if you want. And just place the salmon right down into there. And this salmon is going to take like 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Once it's done, I'm going to just turn it to the side just to make sure that it gets a little brown. And then I do the same with the other side. And with the skin, you do not have to do that, but I did that to mine just to make sure that it's cooked right through. In this way, you don't need to cook it when you're going to put it in the sauce for that long. But if your salmon is not fully cooked, you can let it stay in the sauce that you're making a little longer. So for the sauce, I'm adding the pineapple juice into the cornstarch. Then I'm going to add the garlic, soy sauce, and some honey. You can also use some brown sugar at this time. I also add some honey, and this is this pure set honey. So it's going to look like this, all right? But it's going to melt in the pan. Now, what doesn't melt when you're mixing it like this is going to melt when it gets into the pan. So I add some butter, like a tablespoon of butter. And you know butter always gives an additional flavor. Then I'm going to add the sauce. Once it starts to bubble up and the sauce starts to thicken up, just like this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add this pineapple. The pineapple brings in that flavor, guys. It adds even more flavor to your salmon. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the cooked salmon into here. And because the salmon is cooked right through, I'm not going to let it sit long in the sauce. It's bubbling up, so I'm going to take the spoon now and just pour the sauce all over the salmon. It's that easy, guys. And the cornstarch gives the sauce a little bit of body. It thickens the sauce. It's that simple. What I'm going to do once I'm done, I'm going to cover the pan and just let it sit just for about 5 minutes. But I'm going to also turn the fire off from under the pot. And just like that, our pineapple salmon is done. As you can see, the sauce thickens up even more once it starts to cool. Pour that pineapple and the sauce right over, and you're good to go. You can serve this with some coconut rice or whatever you choose. You know, nice and beautiful texture salmon, as you can see, sprinkled with some parsley. And there you have it, guys. This salmon, let me tell you, it has a very good texture to it. It's flaky but still moist, buttery, and the taste of pineapple is banging. So go give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.